Battle between Governor DeSantis and Disney has made its way to a courtroom this afternoon for a key hearing. DeSantis' new governing board sued Disney to try to wipe out some last-minute agreements between Disney and Disney's former governing board.
WESH 2 News political reporter Greg Fox live at the Orange County Courthouse this afternoon. So, Greg, Disney says those agreements are legit.
That's what they say. In fact, back in February, when the governor and lawmakers passed a measure to take over the government of Disney, just before that, the Reedy Creek Improvement District, for purposes of this story, we'll call that the old Disney board, struck an agreement with the company to allow the company to develop its property for at least the next 30 years and perhaps many, many years beyond that. Now, the new board, called the Central Florida Tourism Oversight District, once it got in place, it rejected those development agreements made months ago. They filed suit in circuit court to have those agreements declared null and void. Today, a judge will hear arguments on Disney's motion to dismiss that lawsuit. Of course, this whole feud started last year when Disney opposed Governor Ron DeSantis' parental rights and education bill, dubbed by critics the Don't Say Gay law. When he signed the law allowing him to appoint a new Disney governing board, Disney sued in federal court, claiming violation of its constitutional rights. Disney's CEO talked about that yesterday.
And to retaliate against the company in a way that would be harmful to the business was not something that we could sit back and tolerate. And so we have filed a lawsuit to protect our First Amendment rights there and to protect our business.
They are not superior to the people of Florida. And so come hell or high water, we're going to make sure that that policy of Florida carries the day. And so they can keep trying to do things, but ultimately we're going to win on every single issue involving Disney.
It's a big legal mess right now in two different courts that leaves in question whether Disney will move ahead with plans to spend $17 billion over the next decade and create 13,000 new jobs on its property. A hearing in federal court on the governor's motion to dismiss the federal lawsuit brought by Disney, that hearing has not been set. So again, today we're dealing with circuit court here at the Orange County Courthouse. That hearing is this afternoon, and we'll have it covered and, of course, bring you the latest on air and online. Live at the Orange County Courthouse, Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.